Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. Today I have with me the new, actually it's not the new, but it's the latest model Toyota Corolla Touring Sport GR Sport. Long name, complicated name, but beautiful car. Amazing hybrid system with great consumption and beautiful exterior design. If you want to see the full review with the car, exterior, interior, technical data, material quality, all that information, I have a separate video on my channel. In this video it's all about driving. We will drive the car and I will give you my feedback on how it's on the road. Keep in mind the car comes with 18-inch rims, beautiful rims from GR Sport. Lovely, they look really nice and they fit perfect with this color. Totally I recommend you to get it with this color. Nice car, and the rims fit super nice on the car. Anyway, we have normal brake disc on the rear, ventilated brake disc on the front. Now let's go inside the car. This is the key, by the way, simple, nice, light key that Toyota used it also on the previous versions. I like very much this plate with GR logo here. Normal pedal, no aluminum pedals, they are just normal, but we have this GR Sport seats with fabric material in the middle, side support here with leather. Very nice, very comfortable seats, and also very sporty because they have this side support here. You have a lovely position in driver position here, I should say. They are bright enough, big enough. Other than that, perfect visibility outside, huge mirrors, huge windows, lovely visibility. Also this mirror, it's incredible big and you have perfect visibility in the back there. So from this point of view it's great. Now guys, if you are in Switzerland, around Switzerland, if you want to test drive the car, see the car or buy the car, check out Emil Frey in Zuchwil. I will leave the link in the description, so if you want to see the car, check them out. The price of this car, it starts at 46,200, but with two optionals here. Also all these options included here. I will talk, and I did talk about that in the review video, so check out the review video. Here at Emil Frey Zuchwil you already have a discount of 2,000 francs, so the final price actually it's 44,850 francs for this car. Amazing price. Consumption around 5.3 liter estimated, 1,635 kilograms, 190 CO2 grams, A class, efficient class. The car comes with a 2-liter petrol engine, and also it comes connected with a full hybrid system. Probably you already know it because it's the same engine and the same system as Toyota Corolla. I use it also on the normal version. The only difference is that it comes with extra elements, sporty elements on the exterior, on the interior, but more about that I talk in the review video. Press the brake. This is the start, the power engine I should say. Also it comes with this new multimedia system. It's not the multimedia system that will come next year, but it's the newest one, and I like the changes that they make. I have a separate video on my channel with it. If you want to see it, check it out. Very responsive. I like how responsive it is. I like how fast it is. It's incredible. I mean, even if you go in different driving modes, you can see how fast it goes there, and I like that very much. Another thing that I like is the fact that you can connect your Android phone and Apple phone, iPhone. I already did a video with my iPhone how to connect it and how easy it is, and it's wireless. It's great system. Check it out on the channel. Also I want to reset the consumption, so we will see at the end of the trip what consumption we will have. I know many people are interested. Great steering wheel, by the way, great grip, electronic handbrake, auto hold, armrest is here. Very easy to reach out the buttons here. If you go in reverse, you will see that the car comes with a reverse camera. It's a nice camera, not the best but nice. You can see there without any problem in reverse. Also you have the possibility to go in S, that means in sport mode. You have pedals, you can change the gears from here as well. Anyway, let's driving, enough with talking guys. Also you can adjust the mirrors electrically how you want it. Look at this, super simple. I just adjust it now because I forget to adjust it before. Good position of driving, good visibility. It stays a little bit lower, if I'm not wrong. It stays lower than the normal version, this GR Sport version. I'm not sure about that, but if I remember well, I think it stays a little bit lower. But anyway, in general this Corolla stayed lower and it has a very good aerodynamic, and that's why also the consumption on this Toyota Corolla, it's gorgeous. I think in my opinion this is a perfect family car. If you want a very good, reliable hybrid system. Also, let's don't forget that Toyota offer 10 years warranty on their cars, so the cars are very reliable. By the way, you have here the possibility to change different driving mode: comfort, eco, normal, sport plus, and custom. First of all, I start in eco mode. Also, you have EV mode button here that allow you to go in EV and drive only in electric mode if the car have enough battery. It's a front wheel drive system, and the car comes with two motors, one petrol engine and one electric motor in the front. Both use the front wheel drive, and you can see here an energy flow graphic, a nice graphic that shows you what happened with the energy and different information like that. So that's super useful. Anyway, other than that, the transition between electric motor and petrol engine, it's very smooth and you don't even feel it. It's a great system. Probably, in my opinion, Toyota make the best hybrid systems out there for years. They have a lot of experience with that. Turning circle, it's very easy to drive. I feel like the steering, it's super soft and very assisted, but in the same time it has a very good grip on the ground, so it has a nice feedback to the wheels and to the ground, so that's something that I like. When you accelerate, you immediately hear the CVT transmission, how it's rev on, how it's kicking. Actually, the engine, it's kicking in and it's rev on higher RPM. It's very, my impression is that it's very light to drive and very easy, and also very good visibility. It's quite responsive. Also, the acceleration in eco mode, if we change the driving mode from here, for example, if we go in, let's skip all that driving modes from comfort, normal, let's go to sport plus. Also from here, from the settings of the car, you can change also how you like the car to be. For example, if you go to general, or where was that, if I remember well, was in the setting, you can change the chassis, how you like to have it, eco, normal, sport. But I show you that in the review video. Anyway, I will try to go a little bit later and show you that, but now let's focus a little bit on driving. Good visibility, very good visibility. We are in Sport Plus right now. Also, the cockpit turned to red when you are in Sport or Sport Plus. Wow, lovely, I tell you. It feels really good. 8.1 seconds 0 to 100, and also 180 km/h is the top speed of the car. It's limited there because the car can do even better. I think this 2-liter petrol engine, it's perfect. I mean, it has enough power to drive on the highway, enough power to drive in every condition on the uphill. It can give you perfect consumption. Also, the car comes with auto hold. It's very responsive. I like how responsive it is. When you press the acceleration in sport mode, you immediately feel that you are in sport mode, and it's very agile and very responsive. The steering, it's also a little bit more stiffer in sporty mode. I can feel that. The pedals very smooth and very good quality. Everything feels premium, feel nice. Turning circle around 10.5 meters. It's a good turning circle for an estate car. To be honest, you feel like you're driving an electric car. Everything, it's acceleration, it's quite smooth. It's going linear forward, so you can see right here. And it's relatively silent. The engine, They did a great job with the sound insulation. Also from the exterior, I noticed that the sound insulation, it's relatively good. It's quite good, and it's better. I have some question from you guys, which one is better, Honda Civic or this one in terms of sound insulation. I should say that Toyota Corolla have a better sound insulation from the exterior. Also, it has a very good sound insulation from the engine, so you cannot hear the engine at all inside here. You don't feel any vibrations. The only thing when you hear it, when it's the CVT transmission and the engine is rev on, when you push the acceleration at maximum, you hear that noise. But when it's stabilized at one speed, then everything it's normal. And let's go back to eco mode. And in eco mode, the steering is much more assisted. Suspensions, we have McPherson suspension in the front, torsion bar on the rear, multi-link over the bumps here. The road, it's kind of bumpy a little bit, and it's doing just fine. It's just lovely over the bumps. It's a pleasant car. When you drive it, you feel relaxed, you feel like you're driving easy. You can reach out every button, very simple here. You can activate cruise control, lane assist, very simple from here. So everything, it's nice and easy to reach out. So in general, it's just fine. Even the turning circle, you can see right here that the turning circle, it's relatively small and nice. Anyway, in eco mode, it's so smooth, the acceleration. And I like also the steering wheel, the grip, the size, the visibility out there, the head-up display. I think you can also see the head-up display. It's very nice on the directly on the windshield. So everything, it's arrayed in a proper way, I should say. Also, auto hold button, it's here. You have to activate it by pressing it. I will also try to show you when we turn around the cruise control, so you can see the cruise control, the lane assist, and this system. It's very easy to set it up from here, from the steering wheel. The consumption until now 7.2 liters, pretty good consumption. Keeping the consideration it's winter outside, it's quite cold. Right now we will try to set up the lane assist, our own. Now the cruise control, and then you can set up this lane assist. Come on. I think you have also the wheel, if I'm not wrong. Come on. Come on, yes, now. Set the speed. Why is it not working? Yeah, come on. It should work now. I missed something here. Rather, okay. Yes, now it should work. Or, I don't know, something that I'm missing here. I don't know what. It should work now. Aha, okay, now I set it up. Okay. I know how I do it. You have to go down, you have to press the set. Even though you want to go forward at higher speed, you have to press first time set down here on the minus, and then you press one time minus, and then you press plus. So you cannot set it up at plus. But I will test it now and I will show you. It's very easy once you learn it. I just forget. I test so many cars and sometimes I forget. You just press it once down, and right now you go up and you set the speed, and right now the car should hold the speed for you. Let's go to 50. Yeah, and right now you can see the car stay between the lanes. This system, it's also made for highway more than for those kind of roads, because it's a little bit bouncy here. I notice on the small streets. I also tested before, so I think it's a little bit of place to improve this system, but for sure in the new facelift will be much more improved. Blind spot technology in the corners here, lovely visibility in the mirrors. You have perfect visibility. We will try again this lane assistant autopilot system. It's made special for highways, you know. On those kind of streets, even Tesla cars have problem keeping between the lanes, and it's quite dangerous to use this autopilot. So now you go minus, and then you go plus, and you set it up to 50, for example. Right now I have my hands on the steering wheel for the safety. The car didn't see the lane yet, and here it's also a little bit dangerous. Let's see now. Come on, now, hold between the lanes. Didn't see it yet. I think it has to be quite clear. Now the cruise control, it's working. The emergency brake, acceleration, braking, it will hold the distance between you and the car in front. But the lane assist, right now it sees the lane assist, the lanes, but it's, yeah, you can see it's a little bit bouncy. It's go a little bit to the left. You can see it right now. It's braking itself and then it accelerates itself. But in terms of lanes, look at it. It holds the lanes, but it's not so safe, I should say. It's not so sure about where are the lanes, so it's kind of bouncing a little bit. So this is a place where Toyota they can improve in the future, this autopilot. But other than that, the car, it's lovely. I like very much the pedals, how smooth are the pedals, how good quality. Everything is so smooth. In Eco, it's really smooth, really nice. Give you the best consumption. I think 6.5 liter. This car, in terms of consumption, it's a beast. It's really good. Yeah, we should go out here. Also, the suspension are super nice, super good. Let's don't forget that the heating system is on right now, and we will see what consumption we get here. Also, if you want to park the car, you can park it super easy. I will show you right now. Just go here, going in reverse, and then just park the car. 6 parking sensors on the front, 6 parking sensors on the rear. It's just super simple. Put it in park, electronic handbrake automatically. 6.4 liter was the consumption of our trip. quite good trip, quite good consumption. I didn't even try to drive economical. I think I can get without any problem 5.5, 5 liters, even 4 if I try my best to drive economical. Guys, as resume to this test drive, I think the car it's one of the best hybrid system. You immediately feel when you drive it how sure and how good is the transition between electric and IC, and acceleration, transmission, everything feels really smooth and really nice. It's really pleasant to be on those seats. They are super comfortable. Steering wheel, it's perfectly set. Also the feedback to the wheels is great. Good suspension, lovely pedals, super smooth. It's a good build car with a good price. I mean, for what it offers, like a family estate car in this price range with this hybrid system, I think it's one of the best. Anyway, my rating for this Toyota Corolla Touring Sports GR Sport 2022 from 1 to 10 will be 9.9. I'm looking forward for a few improvements, probably on the autopilot, the new cockpit with digital cockpit, full digital cockpit that will come next year. I'm looking forward, and the new multimedia system. I think then the car will be almost perfect. But we will see, guys. Anyway, if you want to see the full review with the same car, interior, exterior, and all the technical data about the car, I have a separate video. Probably it's already on the channel. If it's not, click the subscribe button to see notification when that video will come out. Also, thank you very much for watching. If you have questions, ask me down below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you again. Stay safe and see you soon in the next one. Bye, guys.